What's up, everyone? It is Jay Miller going fishing with Layla. We are on the way to whose house?
Grandpa and Grandma. So, yeah.
Going there. We're gonna hitch a ride, then we're going fishing. So stay tuned. Hopefully catch some perch.
Hopefully next time we will get.
Not a perch. Oh, it is a perch. I just snagged him.
I'm busy steering. Jensen.
Garmin.
Yamaha.
Lenko.
Robalo.
Look at that.
Horn.
Hold it up for the camera, Daryl.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh yes. Yeah.
Captain Layla, you sound like your elbow is giving me a Charlie horse like no other.
Oh yeah. I never get to see it.
Perch.
Alright,
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Yes. Hi.
oh,
Hello, friend.
Who's that?
Oh, that's my friend Dolphin.
Dolphiny.
Oh,
I know.
he came through and snagged.
Yeah, and it's a dolphin that talks. Hi. Oh.
Wait, smile. Yeah, turn around.
Carol wasn't in your way, damn it.
I'm not in the way.
Carol, get your swanky ass back off me.
All right. She's driving really fast and really crazy.
I'm not driving.
I think she's gonna sink the boat.
Right now?
Yeah. Layla,
And it is a you can just tell because he's like stuck in it.
Can we go on a cruise?
Where do you want to cruise to?
Nice.
Bahamas?
Yep.
Bahamas. We need the radio.
I can play some new Taylor Swift. No?
Get ready.
I'm ready.
Some stuff
Don't miss
for
them.
you.
Come on. Oh yeah. Is it a perch? Yes, it is.
You coming with me?
Where are you going?
I have a double engagement party to go to.
Double banger.
Got a perch.
You don't want that?
Double banger.
Oh my god. Oh no. What do you think?
Worse as he's
You ain't gonna make it much longer.
really feel that way.
You're gonna be 6 foot under the pond.
Man, I'm on a perch over here. That's why you made it bigger, right?
Put fertilizer down
It
there.
was a 6 foot hole, and he says no, she needs bigger than that.
We filled it with lime to get the ground prepared.
I got one.
Yeah, keep that out your office.
I don't throw it in right now. I don't think they can do nothing.
Huge one too.
It wouldn't be the cops, it'd be the DNR anyway.
What's that, lady? Where are we going?
Perch. We're catching perch.
Hey, you're on video.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We're,
We out here fishing?
yeah.
You catching any?
No.
We're catching perch.
We're catching perch, but we're gonna go swimming.
So rock on.
Rock on.
pace up.
Yep, 61.
61. Ended up with 61 for today, and we're done.